Amid the clamor of politics, President Bongbong Marcos Jr. personally visited the General Santos Fish Port, not just to inspect, but to emphasize that fisherfolk are heroes of the nation's food supply. Welcome to NAHAD News in Focus. Today, we explore how PBBM builds the future, not just facilities, but lives. This is not a promise. This is real action. General Santos is no ordinary city. It's the heart of the Philippines and tuna industry. Here, PBBM witnessed the entire tuna export process, from weighing to quality inspection. This visit wasn't a mere ceremony. It was a tribute to the role fisherfolk play in food security and national exports. President Bongbong Marcos didn't just talk about development, he talked about dignity. He called fisherfolk modern heroes of food production and national resilience. 22.9 million pesos. Not just numbers on paper, but real support, fiberglass boats, marine engines, seaweed farming tools, fish cages, and processing centers. This aid reached over 22 fisherfolk associations across SOCCSK Sargen. Every piece of equipment symbolized not just a tool, but a government standing firmly with its people. It was a sign that the government stands with the people. When fisherfolk received new boats and engines, they received renewed hope. This is no longer just survival. It's a chance to move forward. The government isn't stopping at aid. There's a long-term strategy, modernizing ports, building cold storage facilities, and establishing quality testing laboratories. The goal? To maintain standards, expand export markets, and raise fisherfolk incomes.
Nilaanan po ng ating gobyerno ng sapat na pondo para maayos yung ating mga harbor. May 4 na harbor na inaayos, ang ating cold storage facility, which is very important. At itong ating mga market hall, aayusin natin para maging global ang standard ng ating fishport.
With over 200,000 workers in the tuna sector, this isn't just economics. It's about the future of coastal communities. PBBM champions diversification, seaweed farming, fish cage aquaculture, and marine product processing. These open new pathways, especially for communities previously reliant on traditional catch. This transformation isn't just about technology. It's about shifting from subsistence to sustainability, from surviving to thriving. PBBM highlights the importance of collaboration between government and private sectors. General Tuna Corporation, for example, shows how industries can grow alongside communities. Diversified livelihoods like seaweed farming and processing are opening doors for coastal communities to stand on their own. This progress isn't reserved for a few. It invites every coastal community to rise, because the future of fisheries must be inclusive. The fisheries and tuna industries are national assets, and the government is committed to realizing their full potential. There is a future in fisheries, not just for trade, but for local jobs, dignity, and community growth. This commitment isn't the government's alone. It's about working hand in hand with industry partners and communities. So progress is felt by every fisherfolk family. President Bongbong Marcos is a pro-people leader and the nation builder, working to ensure inclusive, sustainable progress. Fisherfolk are recognized as modern heroes in food production and national resilience. They are being uplifted from subsistence fishing to sustainable, scalable livelihoods. Because every new boat or fishing cage is more than equipment, it's hope for the next generation. PBBM proves that nation building isn't just about roads and buildings. It's about life. This isn't just a promise. This is action. Let's continue to support this vision for a brighter future for all. Looking for calm clarity in a noisy world? Hit subscribe and get the real story with Tomas on air. Have questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments. Let's think it through together.